In this video, I'll guide you through how to zoom in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're working with large documents or simply prefer a closer look at your content, mastering the zoom function can greatly enhance your reading and editing experience. Let's dive into the various ways you can zoom in and out within Adobe Acrobat to get the perfect view. First, one of the most straightforward methods to adjust your document size is by using the toolbar buttons. If you look at the top of your Adobe Acrobat window, you'll notice a toolbar with various icons. Among these, you'll find the plus and minus buttons. Clicking on the plus button will zoom in, giving you a closer look at the details of your document. Conversely, the minus button will zoom out, allowing you to view more of the page at once. This method is intuitive and perfect for quick adjustments without taking your hands off the mouse. For those who prefer keyboard shortcuts, Adobe Acrobat offers a simple and efficient way to zoom. On a Windows system, pressing Ctrl along with the plus key will zoom in. If you need to zoom out, just press Ctrl and the minus key. For Mac users, the process is equally straightforward. Use Command plus the plus key to zoom in, or Command and the minus key to zoom out. These shortcuts are perfect if you're looking to make quick adjustments without interrupting your workflow. They're especially handy if you're someone who prefers to keep their hands on the keyboard while working. Another great way to zoom, particularly if you like using your mouse, is through the mouse scroll method. On a Windows computer, you can hold down the Control key and scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in or down to zoom out. For Mac users, simply hold the Command key and use the scroll wheel in the same way. This method gives you a fluid and dynamic way to adjust your view, allowing for more precise control over how much you want to zoom in or out. If you prefer more standardized zoom levels or need specific fits for your page, the View menu offers additional options. At the top of your screen, click on the View menu, then navigate to the Zoom option. Here you can choose Zoom in or Zoom out, much like the toolbar buttons, but with the added benefit of preset options. You can select Fit Page, which automatically adjusts the zoom so the entire page fits within your Acrobat window. Alternatively, Fit Width will adjust the zoom so the page's width fills the screen, making it easier to read line by line. These preset options are excellent for quickly finding the right view for your document needs. I hope this tutorial has made you feel more comfortable with zooming in Adobe Acrobat. By using these methods, toolbar buttons, keyboard shortcuts, mouse scroll, and the View menu, you can easily adjust your document's view to suit your needs. Whether you're reading, editing, or presenting, knowing how to efficiently zoom can enhance your overall experience with Adobe Acrobat. Thank you for watching and happy zooming.